Hi guys, let's find a car. Let's get this Kia Carnival. Yes, 2022. And let's wait. This is our car now. And let's go into our house in Kiangjiang town. Let's go. And this is our first vlog. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sana magustuhan mo to. Ito yung bahay namin. Merong magandang bahay dalawa, pero sana hindi siya mabahayan. So dito yung bahay namin. Dito na. Let's go. And ito na yun. Sana ma-subscribe niya to. Magustuhan niyo to ba? Ito. That's parking. Ito i-parking natin to. And let's go to our house. This is our house, guys. And I'm gonna go into sleep. And this is now. I'm just nap a little bit, and let's pack our things to go in my Lola's house. And let's pack now my clothes, yeah, and I'm on my blanket now. Let's go in, and of course let's go now. And eatings, let's set up our maleta and let's go. Let's backing, and this now. Where we're going? Let's go into my lola's house. Dun sa itaas. Dun kasi yung bahay ng kuya ko. OMG. And wait, we're gonna zoom in for more real life. And let's go. Let's turn around for no hard. Let's go. ito yung bahay namin. Empty siya. Tas, let's around. So, dito. And, dito yung bahay. Ito yung car na pinarking ko. Tas, doon, yung bahay ng lola ko. And, dito na yung dito na yun. So, dito doon yung mga bahay na kontas. Dito na kami, umuwi na kami. Sorry kasi hindi ko naka-vlog kasi basta dito na yung mag-end yung vlog namin. Bye!